Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I normally just do videos for laser engraving. And I asked somebody posted this on Facebook and asked how you would do that in Corel. Well, I just kind of did it. It's not exactly the same, but before I started, I asked, well, what is this for? And she said kids are using it for stickers for water bottles. So evidently the vinyl cutter or whatever, sublimation or something. Um, but we're going to start out. I just used Arial Black. I'm going to make it green and I'm going to put an outline around it, make the outline pretty thick. Let's go with 2 points. Let's go with 3 points. Kind of give it a little definition. And there's a lot of ways to do this, but I'm going to set my nudge factor on 0.5 of an inch. Let's see what that looks like. Control D. I'm going to move it straight down. I'm not going to move it to the side yet. I'm going to Control D. I'm going to make another one. I want to make that second one blue. I want to make the third one yellow. I'm going to Control D, move it down, make it red, Control D, make it purple, Control D, make it pink, Control D, and we'll use blue again. So now to get the kind of sideways effect, we use 0.5. Let's just use 0.25. And I'm going to take this one and nudge it over to the right one time. The yellow 2 times. The 3, 4 times. The purple 5 times. And so on. And you can play around with this. And it's a little bit, maybe a little bit too far down. So you could always, we had it 0.5, so let's 0.1. And let's move the blue up. Move up each one of them up. Maybe even a little bit more. So you could have used 0.3. That looks pretty good. It's not exactly like that other one. And then take this shape, convert them to a curve. Take this shape, get your boundary tool, change your nudge distance to like 5 inches. Get your new boundary and nudge it out of the way. Open up your contour docker. Effect contour. Let's try to the outside one, step 3. But I'm also noticed on mine I've got sharp edges, on the other one they got rounded edges. See the sharp edges? So let's go with rounded edges. I didn't back up. Oh, that's my outline. So I'm going to contour at 0.3, and I've got those rounded edges. I'm going to go break contour apart, and I'm going to nudge it back. Then with this gone, I'm going to take my pen tool, change it to 3 points, change it to black, gray, whatever you want to do. And there is kind of the exact same thing. There's other ways to do that, but those look pretty similar to one they showed. Something to play around with. You could always take this one, Control G and group it together, double click, and you could skew it. You know, you could skew it every different direction and kind of change the look. That looks pretty good. That's probably a little closer. And then you could actually still, well, rotating wouldn't matter because it's a sticker. But that looks more like the original. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.